Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It's August 14th when I'm recording this, and just want to make sure you guys know to come over to profitpilot.com if you're interested in anything else that I talk about with Moxie indicator and the trading room. And I was live on the mic this morning, and one of our subscribers over at Simpler Trading was asking. They said, "Oh, hey, is the Moxie indicator, like, I really like what you're talking about here, but is it available on the App Store? Like, can I get it on my iPhone or my iPad or any other tablet?" And I said, no, unfortunately, when it comes to Thinkorswim, a lot of custom indicators don't work on those kind of platforms. It's just how they build things. But I said, we do have the Moxie indicator on stock charts, which you guys can see up here. We have a lot of stock charts stuff. And then we also have it on Trading View. So if you guys like the web-based version, or if you want it on your phone, your tablet, you move around, anything else like that, and if Thinkorswim doesn't work for you, hey, pick it up, stockcharts.com and Trading View. All right, as far as the market goes, let me come over here to this view. I want to show you guys a couple things. We've been looking for some sort of bounce with this market. We have been just, over a week of just down, 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 down. And what I pointed out today was, hey, look, we're coming into the daily 50, which is also the top of this area. Kind of interesting, right? Well, it seems like it would probably be a decent place for price to bounce, and we are getting that. Now, I don't think that this is the resumption of the uptrend. I'm definitely not kidding myself for that, but I do think that we are due for some sort of bounce and some sort of lift, but that is not going to be the next major move. It could be a big bounce, we don't know. It could be a small bounce, but I do think we're going to get something like this. And then really the next question and the big test is whenever price comes back down, we'll have to see if it can hold the double bottom level or if it actually wants to keep going down from there. After this bounce, it would be perfectly normal if price actually went below the daily 50. So just don't be surprised about that too. I'm kind of looking for a bounce right now. I then definitely expect some sort of pullback to retest the low area, and that low area could even mean new lows. So yeah, just kind of watch that. We are seeing some divergences, some positive divergences on the 15-minute time frame. And then here on the 15-minute time frame, it is looking fairly constructive of where price does look like it's actually going to want to stay over the 15-minute 50, but we don't know that either. We've seen that it's had several times where it's tried to get over and it just couldn't work. So if this bounce is going to go anyplace, it needs to stay over the 15-minute 50 for a period of time in order to do anything. So yeah, just kind of be careful. I wouldn't be looking short right now. I'd actually be looking for some sort of up, but be careful on the up too, because we're just not out of the woods yet. All right, guys, thanks again, and we'll catch you at the next one.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.